Underfitting and Overfitting. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and in today's video we're going to kind of talk about an overarching issue. So last video we used the fit method. So let's kind of break this open and look inside the accordion file. So we fit, basically we're fitting our divider, our classifier line in between our data points. Underfitting, so it's too general. Overfitting is basically we're just making the algorithm learn the data points that it already has. And then another term you're going to hear more, see more, or we're going to talk about is noise. So maybe you've had statistics or probability in school before, and you've always been told to ignore the outliers, the real extremes. Well, that's a description of noise. So it doesn't really, those are the exception, not the rule. So an elite athlete, 1 in a million, something, noise, outliers, extremes that need to be ignored for the classifier to be looked at. So overfitting, basically memorization and taking in all of the noise and finding a perfect solution. Well, when you get older, there is no perfect solution. So you are going to play this delicate dance between, so fit is exactly where it needs to be. Underfitting is too general, and overfitting is just basically mirroring all the data points, and nothing is learned because it is just following the basis. So one of the terms that I think I remember reading is overfitting is when there's low bias and high variance. So then the inverse would be true. So it is. So yeah, we'll just leave it at that, and we'll talk more about this as we go further into this. So next video, what we're going to do is we're going to look at predict and then accuracy score. So those are actually, and I've done this a couple of times, and I'm going to actually show you, I'm going to try to mimic it, is that even with our two extended data sets of our first two flowers, first time I ran it, I got 100% match. Then I started just wondering. So I ran it over and over and over again, and I started getting variances in that, and that was very interesting to me. And then also what I want to do is there's a way to rebuild, and we'll look at that piece next time. There is a way to control, just like our seed in random. So you're able to get the same data set sample, because as we're running this, there's a variation of how this is being split. So all of these bits and pieces matter, and they add up. So just wanted to talk a little bit about that today, and we're going to link predict and accuracy score. So, and we'll walk through those very slow, because again, those can get very complicated as well. So please drop any comments, questions, video requests. Make sure you're jumping over to the Discord server. A lot of great things being discussed over there. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.